Hello everyone, in front of me is NOKIA C01 PLUS and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select accounts. Choose the one that you want to remove. And all you have to do is to click on remove account. Select remove account to confirm. If you have some screen protection, you will have to provide it to confirm, and that's it. As you can see, your account has been deleted. If you want to add it again, just click on Add Account, choose Google, tap on plus, and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.